Young Jamaican men, if you want to become better at anything that you do, find yourself a top competitor in your field who has good solid work ethics and character. Character is very important. There are so many examples today for you to follow, and this does not mean you need to follow everything they do religiously or blindly, especially so. They're bad habits, because everyone has one, in some way, shape, or form. What you want to do is emulate the good things. As a fellow Jamaican, I can tell you, Usain Bolt didn't achieve success without having great work ethics and exceptional competitors' rivalry. Just listen to this little soundbite as he gives away something very valuable and important.
In 2012, I was right beside him. When the gun went, I felt like he just took a step. He was one step ahead of me as soon as the gun went. And I'm like, how is this even possible? It's a good thing I'm mentally tough. If you're not mentally tough and you see that, your vibe is broken immediately. The first step, bro, he's a step in front of me as soon as the gun goes. Not half a step, a full step.
What separates true champions is their ability to consistently refine their strengths, learn from their mistakes, and stay committed to their vision. Take Usain Bolt, for example. His success was not just about raw speed. It was built on relentless hard work, discipline, and an intense drive to outdo both himself and his rivals. He didn't just run. He studied his competition, used their strengths as motivation, and trained with purpose. He didn't settle for being good. He aimed to be the greatest. The lesson here is simple. Find your rivals, but don't envy them. Study them. Identify their strengths, learn from their discipline, and push yourself beyond your limits. Work on your craft with the same level of commitment and hunger. Your success won't come overnight, but if you remain disciplined, work with purpose, and refuse to settle, you will separate yourself from the ordinary and rise to excellence.